Hi, I'm Phil at the Soundproofing store, and today we're at Snape Methodist Church in the very picturesque village of Snape, near Beedale in sunny North Yorkshire. Now, a couple of weeks ago, the team at the Methodist Church got in touch with us about their Sunday school classroom, which is suffering with really bad acoustics. And basically, any noise that you make in that room is bouncing around off the walls and ceilings and creating a very noisy, loud atmosphere. It's very difficult to focus and concentrate, and that's a big problem. So we've come down today to see if we can help solve that problem. Let's take a look inside. So a couple of weeks ago, the team at the Methodist Church got in touch, talked us through the noise problems that they're having. And what we do is, the first thing we ask for is photographs of the space and the dimensions. And from there, we can build a virtual model of the space and calculate how the sound is working and the reverberation in that space and work out the best way of solving the problem. Now, the Soundproofing store has a range of products which we call acoustic treatment or sound absorption products, which help with this situation. But today we decided to use our ProSound Easy-Fix panels. Now, we decided to use these ProSound Easy-Fix panels today for a few different reasons. First of all, they're very quick and easy to install because they're self-adhesive, so there's no fixings or brackets or anything like that. They're very lightweight, but more importantly, because they're self-adhesive, they fix directly to the surface, okay? So you can apply them directly to a wall or directly to a ceiling. They're not suspended down and they don't reduce the visual height of the room. Now, in this situation, we've decided to treat the ceiling because, like a lot of classrooms, there's lots of displays and decoration on the wall and very little available space for us to put panels. So we're going to put these directly on the ceiling. The other beauty of treating a ceiling is that you get a more consistent performance of the sound absorption throughout the whole area of the room, whereas just treating the walls means you're only treating around the perimeter of the room. Now, before we install the panels, we're going to do a quick sound test, okay? So we can do a test now before the installation and repeat the same test afterwards so we can show you the difference in sound. Now, the first test we're going to do is a clap test. So I'm going to clap my hands together and we're going to just listen to how long it takes for the reverberation from that clap to fade away and disappear, okay? Now, before we do it, I'm just going to explain something very quick. While I'm talking, it probably doesn't sound like it's that echoey to you. And that's because we're recording from this little microphone on my chest, which is only picking up the sound very close by. What we're going to do now is switch the sound to a room microphone, which is picking up more of the sound of the room. So you're going to hear more what I can hear in the room. Okay, so we're going to switch over now, and you should hopefully hear that it's a lot more echoey. Okay, I'm going to do a clap test. Here we go. And now I'm going to do a vocal test. So I'm going to say a line. You can hear how much that sentence that I say bounces around and echoes, and we'll wait for it to fade away, okay? So I'm going to say, we're about to install ProSound Easy-Fix panels. So we're about to install our Easy-Fix panels, but just a couple of points to make first. First of all, we're not professional installers. Okay, we're just doing this ourselves because it's a very straightforward DIY-able installation. Okay, so we just want to show you at home that this is something you can absolutely do yourself. Secondly, because we are working at a little bit of a height, it's not very high today, but we don't want to be leaning and balancing on step ladders while we're trying to hold the panels up. So we've hired in some scaffolding for the day. Again, very easy, very cost-effective thing to do, and it's nice and safe. And finally, because we are applying these to a ceiling, the self-adhesive on the panels is very, very good and it will stick very, very well. But just to make sure, so over time we don't get them kind of peeling off at all because of that weight pulling down from the ceiling, we are going to apply a grab adhesive to the back of the panel as well. It's just for extra adhesion, a bit of extra security long term. Okay, so we're going to get started by peeling back our self-adhesive paper. And now we're going to take our grab adhesive and just run some little beads. Okay, so the adhesive's on. We've already marked on the location of the panel on the ceiling. So now it's just a case of getting it up there, offering it up to the ceiling, pushing it on. We're just going to line it up with our pencil markings. Yeah. And gently push the panel on. And just making sure the panel's in full contact with the surface, so we're giving it a good push. So that's the panels all installed, and we're going to do a quick test so you can compare the performance before to the performance after. We're going to switch back over to the room microphone, so hopefully you can now hear what I'm hearing in the room, which I've got to say already, you can really tell the difference. But here's the clap. And now we're going to do the vocal test. We've just installed ProSound Easy-Fix panels. We're about to install ProSound Easy-Fix panels. We've just installed ProSound Easy-Fix panels. Okay, so we're all finished, and I've got to say, to me, here in the room, you can really tell a difference. No longer can I hear my own voice bouncing around and echoing. It sounds really clean, really dry, and you can just tell now when you've got someone stood in front of you having a conversation, you'll be able to concentrate, you'll be able to focus. It's so much better. It also looks quite smart as well. So we did 8 panels altogether of 2400mm by 600mm to fit in between these strip lights and the shape of the ceiling, and they look really nice. What you do get from these ceiling panels is it adds a little bit of texture, a little bit of 3D. Instead of just one flat ceiling, you've got a little bit of shape and a bit of shadow. It makes things look a bit more interesting. So for the 8 panels with delivery, the adhesive, everything all in, you're looking at £2,000 plus VAT. And from the order being placed to the panels being manufactured and delivered here to site was just 5 working days. So we can turn these orders around very, very quick if you need. So if you have any kind of noise related issue, whether it's something similar to this, echo and reverberation in an office, a classroom, a village hall or anything like that, or if it's a soundproofing problem, if you've got noisy neighbors, you're building a home music studio, whatever it may be, just give us a call at the soundproofing store and we can help.